boys and girls. Today we are going to focus on lesson 132 in your Saxon math. And today's focus is on adding and subtracting fact families. All right, so what that means is all the numbers are connected. You use the same numbers within the group, just like your family, your mom and your dad, and then you. Is all three the same. All right, so let's take a look at some cubes. We're gonna work on building some number sentences. I have 4 cubes, 4 black cubes here, and you can use cubes or Cheerios or jelly beans at home. So here's 4 cubes. Or it can be written 4 more equals 5. My cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus more. Now, let's make a fact family and use these same cubes. So I have 5 cubes. 5, take away 1 cube. How many cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1 and 1, 5 and 5. We're using the same numbers, all the same family. How about 1 cube? We're missing a subtraction problem, so there's going to be something in here. Take those 5 cubes. 4 of the cubes. How many is left? 1. 5. So there's different ways to use these numbers, isn't there? 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And 5 minus 4 equals 1. All right, now we're going to erase these and work on another problem. You could do these problems on your whiteboard at home along with me. All right, now, let's do another one. Oh, and I want to tell you that addition and subtraction fact family has 2 addition and 2 subtraction facts that all use the same numbers. Just want to make sure you remember that, okay? So always look for 2. Now let's do a harder one. I have 8. 8 plus 2. There are some different ways we could make a fact family from that. 8 plus 2 equals 10. What about 2 plus 8 equals 10? Same numbers. Any numbers. So remember we needed 2 addition and 2 subtraction. So let's think of a subtraction. What number should we start with? We have 10. We're going to use the same number, so let's take away 2. How many does that equal? 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Now we have one more fact. By looking at this pattern, what do you think that fact is going to be? Here, what do you think it's going to be? 8 minus 8 equals 2. So this is our fact here for that problem. Let's do another one. Eraser. subtraction. All right, let's take a look at this one. Sometimes things are a little bit different. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. I want to make sure we point out the exception. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Is there going to be 2 addition for this one? It's going to be 1. Now, if you're going to have 6, 6 minus 3 equals what? Exception. Now let's take a look at the facts we're focusing on today. We are going to focus on 4. We're going to use 4, 5, and 9. Those are our facts that we're going to do. Okay? So I want you, how many addition facts are we going to write? 2 addition facts. Good job. And how many subtraction facts do you think we'll write? 2. So now let's take a look at our addition facts. What is one addition fact we will write? 4 plus 5 equals 9. Is that true? Yes. That's a doubles plus 1 fact, isn't it? So 4 plus 5 equals 9. And you can always double check with your cubes or your Cheerios. Now, what's another addition fact? Now, 2. Good job. Start with the biggest number minus numbers 4. Without even using cubes, what do you think the answer is? So we start with 9 for our last one. Good job. 5. And that equals our other number, 4. So this is our fact family when given these numbers 4, 5, and 9. All right? So this is an important one that we needed to learn today. Let's go over one more. I give you the numbers and you're going to build the fact families. Together, I showed you. I did it, then we did it together, and now you're going to try it. And then we will review. How about 3, 6, and 9? Given these 3 numbers, let's write 2 addition facts and 2 subtracting facts. I'm going to set it up. How about an addition fact? Let's see. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Is that true? It is. That is another. Yes. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Great job. So we have 2 addition facts. Now let's find a subtracting fact. What do we start with? We can put it down for both of them. 9 and 9. Now we're going to subtract what? 3. Great job. What is 9 minus 3? Let's take a look at our patterns here. What numbers? 6. You know that because that was the other number. It makes it easy, doesn't it? All right, 9 minus 6 equals 3. Excellent. All right, so those are the 2 facts. What you're going to do is you take some note cards, make cards for yourself. And let me show you what that will look like. You can even take a piece of construction paper, and this will be an easy way to practice at home, okay? So if I have a piece of construction paper here, I'm gonna draw it out so you can see. I'm going to fold it so that I have 4 lines and then one straight across, okay? Or you could just make boxes and then cut them. It doesn't have to be even. And then you're going to do those facts that we did. 4 equals, and then you can put the answer on the back, which is 5 minus 5 equals 4. What's the addition fact? 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. The other one we're going to do is 3, 6, and 9. So 3 equals 9. We'll do 9 minus 6 equals 3. Good job. And write the answer on the back just so you can practice them. And 9 minus 3 equals 6. All right, so what is something that you learned today in math? You learned about subtracting and adding fact families. Learned that there's 2 addition and 2 subtracting facts, except when you're subtracting doubles, and then there's only 1 each, right? All right, excellent job. So now you're gonna work on your fact sheet, and we have some review here. We have subtracting half of a double, reviews subtracting facts. So these should be just review. So 12 minus 6, what's half of it? 6. Good job. So you're going to go through that. You can use our number strategies, count backwards on a number line. You can count backwards from the number in your head, or you can use counters, okay? Or even tally marks. That would be easy. All right, so now we're going to take a look at our worksheet. Get out your ruler, and I want you to draw an 8-centimeter. Can't find your ruler, it's okay, just write your name, okay? And then next, what is the day of the week? So I'm gonna write the day of the week. So the day of the week is Tuesday. And let's write 13 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. All right, so 13 tally marks. And then you're going to write 119 on the place value chart. So 100. And then a 9. 119. Write what digit is in the ones place. So what digit? Hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Then, counting money. I see a coin we just learned last week. What is that coin? It is a quarter. Very good. So 2 quarters, 25, 50. So we know there's 50 cents. And then what's the other coin? Is 51 cents, and that's written like this. Great job. All right, now you're going to be coloring. You're going to take 1 marble from the bag. This is working on probability. What color am I most likely to get? So if you look at your marbles, what color do you see the most of? And it's easier if you color them in. I see the most of yellow, which is a Y. Would write Y for yellow. You could just write the letter because that's an abbreviation. And what color is it impossible to get? What color do you not see? Why? Blue is impossible to get. All right, so blank out of blank marbles are red. Let's see, there's how many marbles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marbles. So 7 marbles. And how many are red? 2. 2 marbles are red. All right, great job. Ooh, look at number 4. Did you see write in addition and subtract? Using the numbers 3, 7, and 10. Oh, we've got this. We know how to do this. 3, 7, addition. 3 plus 7 equals 7. 3 equals 10. 2 what? 2. 10 minus 7 equals 10 minus 3 equals 7. Great at fact families. Good job. All right. Then you are going to move on to number patterns. Oh, this one looks a little tricky. It's counting backwards. And it looks like 11 minus 9. What is that? It's 2. So we're going to count backwards. 11. 7 minus 2. What is that? 5. Good. More. We're going to do 2 more. 5 minus 2 is 3 minus 2 is 1. Great job. So we finished that. It was tricky, but if we subtract 2 and we figure out the pattern minus 2, then we will know how to do it, right? All right, now the next one. Oh, it's easy. It's counting by tens. 50, 60, 70, 80. Good. 80. 100. You can use your hundreds chart in your yellow folder. All right, boys and girls, you can work on the other subtracting problems and adding problems at the bottom for money. If you have any questions about this lesson or about anything else, please make sure to reach out to us. Thank you.